In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use customized code templates in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your homepage on your HubSpot, and then from in there, locate the code. So typically it's found under the sales, but if it's not, you can head over and click onto this search and search right here for code. So you should be able to find it under the apps. Click on codes right here. Then after that, this will redirect you right here into this page. As you can see, Codes is only available in the Commerce Hub Professional, and we have the Service Hub Professional plan. So for this case, you can start a 14-day free trial with this particular tool. And for this case, you can actually head over and then create a new template or customize a template given by this one. You can see in here how it actually works. We have the payments, quotations, approvals, pricing configurations, and likes. So for this case, you can head over and use it and customize it template according to your liking. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.